guys, I'm the boy and I'm taking over for my parents today. I'm doing a mukbang, I guess, and we have curry chicken and white rice. So I guess I'm just gonna dig in. You guys don't know my mom is right behind the camera.
Sure is.
I guess she's in retirement today.
Yeah, so where have you been?
College.
Been doing the college stuff?
I guess I'm on vacation even though I'm still taking classes.
How's the food?
Delicious.
Yeah.
Definitely delicious.
So how uncomfortable you are right now?
100. Definitely 100.
Yeah, you don't seem uncomfortable. You don't seem uncomfortable.
I am, because I usually don't eat and talk, usually watching, I'm an iPod kid, so I usually watch TV or anything on my phone while I'm eating.
Are you an iPod kid or a geeky kid?
iPad kid. Or both.
You're both. I think you're both. So how is college life treating you?
It's cute. It's cute. Can't complain, I guess. Just ready for it to be over.
Yeah. You miss home?
I definitely miss home. But I made some memories and some good friends, so it's a little bit of both,
What do you miss most about home?
The food and being around you guys.
I know I'm your favorite mom, so I'm not gonna ask that question. We're gonna skip over it.
Right.
No, right.
Right.
We're gonna skip right over it because I know I'm your favorite. It's okay. So I have some question pertaining to moms and moms.
Okay.
So who's most likely to tell you to do the dishes? Your chores.
You.
If everything is gonna be me, I'm not gonna do it.
But it is you.
Who's most likely to yell at you?
You. It's just the truth.
Who's most likely to get angry at anything?
You. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
It's not a game though. It's not a game though. All right. Who's most likely to stay quiet?
Nobody.
Who's most likely to ignore everybody?
It's a mixture between you both.
No. Be fair. It's Jody.
Okay.
It's Jody. It's Jody.
Okay.
Who's most likely to wash all your clothes?
Nobody.
Who's most likely to tell a joke?
Both of you guys.
God shit.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to be strict with you when it comes on to your school work?
Both of you.
I thought it was Jody.
It was both of you.
Who's the coolest mom in the entire world?
Grandma.
What?
Grandma.
You a sellout. You a dead sellout.
Shout out to my grandmother. Love her. Down bad.
I thought it was me the whole time. I thought it was. I have nothing. I have nothing else. I have nothing left for you.
That's it?
That's it. I have nothing else. I'm embarrassed.
Why?
I thought I was the coolest mom in the world.
Shouldn't you be happy as your own mother?
No.
No?
I don't care about it.
Why not?
Who's most likely to give you a kiss on the lips?
You.
Who's most likely to give you a hug, huh? Me, huh?
I guess it's both of you, honestly.
How spoiled are you?
0.
Are you the only kid?
Yeah, guys, this was the boy. So it's a short video, but I hope you guys like it. Yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell button.